Ever glance at the pile of items you no longer use and wonder if there's a way to give them a new life? Well, you're in luck. Upcycling and repurposing are the answers to your dilemma. Not only do they help save the planet, but they also fuel your creativity and save you money. So here are 10 ingenious upcycling techniques to reinvent those forgotten items. Starting with number 10, we have the magic of tin cans. Gone are the days when these metallic containers were just for soup or vegetables. Wash them, paint them, and voila. You've got yourself some vibrant planters, utensil holders, or even desk organizers. Next up at number 9, we have the plastic bottle bonanza. Slice them in half and you've got plant pots, bird feeders, or scoopers, or string them together with fairy lights for a unique outdoor lighting solution. At number 8, there's the t-shirt transformation. Old shirts can be reborn as tote bags, headbands, or cleaning cloths. And if you're feeling crafty, braid them together for a chunky knit rug. Moving on to number 7, we've got glass jar gems. These empty containers can become chic storage solutions for spices, cotton swabs, or bathroom essentials. A lick of paint and a neat label and you're good to go. At number 6, we're talking about sweater weather wonders. Turn those outgrown sweaters into cozy throws, pillow covers, or pet bed liners. Or if you're feeling adventurous, cut out interesting shapes and sew them onto denim jackets or bags. Halfway through at number 5, we have the junk drawer jewel box. Spools, buttons, bottle caps, all these can become fantastic materials for crafting. Glue them onto picture frames, create jewelry, or use them in mosaic art projects. At number 4, we have the shoebox spectacle. Transform these cardboard containers into personalized storage boxes, a dollhouse, or even a miniature tabletop theater for kids. For our top 3, starting at number 3, we have the jean metamorphosis. Old jeans can become stylish tote bags, placemats, or even coasters. Cut out denim patches and iron them onto jackets or canvas totes for a unique touch. At number 2, we're calling for a curtain call. Old curtains can become stylish throw pillows, a tablecloth, or a room divider. And if you're feeling bohemian, why not use lace curtains to make DIY dream catchers? And finally, at number 1, we present the mailbox makeover. A rusty mailbox can be transformed into a charming bird feeder or a whimsical planter for climbing vines. Paint it in a fun design and watch it become a garden centerpiece. Remember, these ideas are just a springboard. The world of upcycling is vast and the only limit is your imagination. So why not embark on your own upcycling journey? And while you're at it, why not share your creations with the world? Document your journey, film your process, and inspire others to embrace a more sustainable lifestyle. After all, every upcycling project is a step towards a greener planet. Happy upcycling.